Guys, this is what they call safe landing in the source of the river Nile. Oh my god. I am so proud of myself. I did it, man. I did it, and I don't even know how to swim. Imagine. I was just risking my life. But guys, watch the whole video. It's so fun. This was the first time. I'm just going to try the second time, but it is so freaking out. My god, I cannot even speak. Okay, I'm interviewing myself. How do I feel? Very awful. But it's worth a try. That's why I'm going back for a second time. See. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am now? I am on Bujagari Falls, guys. So I am going to do, yeah, this is the place, but there is no falls as before. Before, when I was young, I came to Bujagari, there were waterfalls, but now it's no more. So it is very sunny. So we are going to do, this is called what?
It's a tubing.
So we are going to do tubing, then we are going to come back with a boat cruise. Hi, yo. What's up?
So we go with the tubes.
Okay.
With our safety kayak. There's a girl coming.
Okay, one guy is coming.
Yeah.
For you're saying. What is your good name, sir? Mike. He's called Mike. He's going to take us on that. But it's moving. Something is moving. Hey. My God, I'm so scared, guys. I'm standing in water. You see that? We are going. Guys, this is what they call a safe landing in the river Nile. So this is called sliding. It's the only one slide we have in Uganda so far. Yeah, but it's so much fun. It's found in Jinja. So if you want to visit, you can contact the source of the Nile tubing. So they have all these activities when you pay the full package. It includes sliding, boat riding, boat cruise, tubing, kayak. Everything is inclusive, and it is really safe, because for me, I don't know how to swim, but I was guided and given a life jacket, and on top of that they had to put for me the lifeguards to wait for me at the arrival. Like, you can see them there. They're waiting to pick me up because I didn't know how to swim. Man, it is so risk-taking. If you're not brave enough, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you really want to try out things you never thought you can do, man, you got to try this out. It is so fun. So much fun. The first time is really terrifying, but when you try the second time, third time, then you get used to it. You can start enjoying life. This is Africa. Why not? Man, we are so blessed. We are so much blessed. This was a very nice trip for me, and things were really massive. I truly loved everything. I enjoyed every bit of that tour. It was so fun, so protective.
Yeah, just
Oh my God. We did it. We did it. But it's the last time I'm doing this. The last I'm done. Finish. Are you sure? Let me see how she's doing it. Oh, she's so small. This was the first time. I'm just going to try the second time, but it is so freaking out. My God, I cannot even speak. Okay, I'm interviewing myself. How do I feel? Very awful. But it's worth a try. That's why I'm going back for a second time. See.
wansa yesigenda
I cannot believe you made me do this for the third time. Guys, I cannot explain the experience. It's so amazing, but if you're not brave enough, please don't you dare like. Don't you dare life, man. This is risk taking. So let me go back up. Guys, I am going to go for the cut time. I'll just cut your video from here. Okay. Laboya. That is very Black Latin. I think you come back for that for the next time. So guys, we are done with the sliding, but I'm telling you, this is life and death. I'm telling you. And if you don't know how to swim, don't you dare. Don't you dare, for sure. Me too, I don't know, but I was supported by the life jacket. Oh my God, my bam. She cannot
like super hurting.
She cannot even speak.
I can't speak. I was scared to death anyway. But you do it the first time, it hurts. The second time, you're like, Then you can go to the third round, and then you become an expert. So
yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.
Please guys, subscribe,
like,
share, comment, like the videos.
Bye-bye.
We love you.
Ciao.
Bye. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment these videos. This is life and death. So, oh, shit. Bye.